Hey everybody, Michael the Tutor 16 here. Today I'm going to be doing tutorial number 33 in Windows 10. And the topics for discussion in this tutorial will be that I'm going to show you how to set your File Explorer options within the control panel in Windows 10. The advantages of doing this would be that by setting your File Explorer options through your control panel, you're telling the computer how to handle how it opens and runs the File Explorer. This will also determine how you browse folders, how you open subfolders, and will also help you set privacy issues while working in the File Explorer itself. So let's get started by going into Windows 10. As you can see, I've gone into Windows 10, and today I'm going to show you how to set your File Explorer options through your control panel in the Windows 10 operating system. Go down to the bottom left of your screen and right-click one time on your Windows Start icon. From here, go up and select Control Panel. When your control panel opens, it'll probably look something similar to mine. And instead of trying to find the File Explorer options in this screen, go up to where it says View By, click on Category, and select Large Icons. Next, find the option that says File Explorer Options, hover over it, and left-click one time to select it. Your File Explorer options will then open up on your screen, and you'll see tabs such as General, View, and Search. Make sure that you're in the General tab, and these three options are the ones that we're going to be examining. The first one says Browse Folders. You can open each folder in the same window, or you can open each folder in its own window. I've got mine set to open each folder in the same window. So when I go to my File Explorer, you'll see all of the directories and subdirectories here on the left, and all of the associated files to the right. If I go to my tutorial directory, you'll see that I've got a subdirectory called Video Files. And if I double-click on it, it'll go directly into that subdirectory without opening another File Explorer window. I can go to another subdirectory labeled Windows 10 just by double-clicking it. And again, it'll go directly into that subdirectory without opening up another File Explorer window. I can go back one step at a time by clicking on the left arrow directly above where it says Quick Access. And if I click on the left arrow, it'll take me back to my Video Files subdirectory, and if I click on the left arrow again, it'll take me back to my root access before I made any changes. Now I'm going to close out of this, and we're going to look at the second option, Open each folder in its own window. If I choose this, I'm going to go down and click on Apply. Now when I go into my File Explorer, you'll see that it'll still show me all of my directories and subdirectories on the left and all of the associated files on the right. But when I go into a subdirectory, watch what happens. As I double-click to go into the subdirectory, you'll see that it'll open another window. So now instead of one File Explorer, I've got two. And if I go into my Windows 10 subdirectory from here, you'll see that it'll open up a third File Explorer window. Now this can be useful, especially if you're transferring files or folders from one directory to the other. But my recommendation will be to leave the first setting at Open each folder in the same window. This way, if you open up three different subfolders, you won't have to close out of three File Explorer windows. The next thing that we're going to look at is how do you open an item. You have two choices. You can either single-click to open an item, or you can double-click to open an item. My recommendation, leave it at double-click, because this is probably what you're already used to. If you want to try single-click, choose the option, but make sure that you click on Apply. If you want to go back, click on double-click to choose the option, but make sure that you go down and click on Apply again. The last option that we're going to look at under the General tab in your File Explorer options will be Privacy Settings. I've got both of these turned off. The first one says Show Recently Used Files in Quick Access, and the second option says Show Frequently Used Folders in Quick Access. Since I've got both of these turned off, I won't see them, but you can play around with them. Just make sure that if you choose one of them, to go down and click on Apply. So this is how you set your File Explorer options through your control panel in the Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do so by clicking on the subscription button located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to me, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching.